Hi everyone, Shreyas the champ. Today I am going to tell about patterns of the Rubik's Cube. But before starting, please more and more like, share and subscribe my video. Please. So let's start. I have promised in the last video that I'll show the patterns of the Rubik's Cube, and in this video I am fulfilling my promise. So before making the patterns, I am showing some examples of the patterns, Rubik's Cube patterns. This is a cube in a cube in a cube pattern. This one is my combi pattern. This is my own pattern. So I have created all this which I have made in this pattern. This is the dot pattern. This is the checkerboard pattern. And this is the minus pattern, or you can say line pattern. And this is my third pattern, the checkerboard pattern. As you have seen here, this is checkerboard and this is also checkerboard. Okay, so let's start with the first pattern, checkerboard pattern. Yeah, so this is the Rubik's Cube. So I'll make the checkerboard pattern. So this is the middle part of, you can see this one, middle one. So I am doing this 2 times. Please see this, 1 and 2. And you can see this hole is middled in 2 parts. And then after that I am doing again this 2 again. And here also I do 2. And see, the checkerboard pattern is ready. You can see everywhere. So next pattern I'll show is dot pattern. So far I am doing this again, and yeah, this is the dot pattern. Third pattern is edge pattern. So I'll tell what is edge pattern. It will show like a edge in the cube. So I'll do it. Now this is the edge pattern. And next pattern is line pattern. So I'll do the line pattern. So this is the line pattern. Here, and yeah, here. Now I'll make my own creative pattern which I have shown in the starting of the video. Yeah, so this is my combi pattern which I have shown in the starting of the video. This is the checkerboard pattern, and this is the dot pattern, and here it is the line pattern. So I have made many patterns in this video. Okay, and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my video. Till then, bye.